Assume you have been given an AdWords account to tune. Okay, you may be an employee. Assume yourself as an employee of an ad agency, or you are working for a company and you have to tune your company's account, or as a business owner you want to tune your AdWords account. Okay, so this is your AdWords account, Vibavi.com's account. Okay, and you receive this account and this is the first time you are looking at this account. How do you go about tuning this account? Okay, so first thing what you have to do is look at their website. Look at their website. So I'm going to look at their website, vibavi.com. Okay, you need to make sure their campaign structuring is reflecting Vibavi's website structure. Okay, so they have three menu items: APC home EPS, APC back UPS, and APC voltage regulator. So under APC home EPS they have all this home EPS, and under APC back UPS they have this back UPS listed. Okay, and you have APC voltage regulators under this three menu. So look at the campaign structuring. They have APC home EPS and APC voltage regulator. So this is good. Okay, so this campaign structuring is good. Okay, so they have their website structuring reflected in their AdWords campaign structuring, which is fine. And then you need to analyze the actual reason or the purpose of creating this marketing campaign, whether it is branding or sales. If it is sales, I would look at creating search campaign and remarketing campaign. If it is branding, I would look at creating search campaign, remarketing campaign, as well as I would spend certain amount for branding purpose, which is a display network campaign. Okay, and if possible, YouTube video campaign also, which comes under video campaign. Okay, AdWords video campaign. Here, the purpose of this Vibavi's campaign is they are a small firm. Okay, they don't have budget for branding. In this case, I would suggest them to create search and remarketing campaign. Here we can ask them to create remarketing campaign for sure, because using remarketing campaign, when you retarget your customers, rather visitors, those who visited certain pages, you'll be able to make them purchase, which is, it will be very easy because they already know your website. Here the second thing that I would review is click on each and every campaign here and see if they have theme-based ad groups. If you click on, they have three themes here: APC home inverter 850 sine wave, 650 VA sine wave, and APC inverter dealer plan group. These are the three ad groups. Let's click on first ad group. If you look at this keywords tab, they have variety of keywords. Okay, inverters for home, APC home inverter, buy inverter Bangalore under this theme, which I won't do it. Okay, this is wrong. At campaign level, they have done a good thing by reflecting the website structuring. Certain AdWords account, you would see they will have one campaign, okay, and they will have all ad groups under this one campaign itself. Okay, here in this specific AdWords account, they have two campaigns reflecting the website structuring, which is good. Okay, so in the prior case, if you see AdWords account with just one campaign with multiple product lines ad groups listed under the same campaign, what you have to do is, first thing, split up the campaign into multiple campaigns reflecting your website structure. Second, see under each product line, under each campaign, you have theme based ad groups. If you look at this specific theme ad group has multiple themes, rather multiple keywords with different themes. Okay, what I would suggest is in this specific theme, I would include only APC inverter, APC home inverter 850 sine wave related keyword combinations only. Inverters for home keyword combination should go under another ad group. Okay, I would create another ad group under APC home EPS, and I will name that ad group as inverters for home. Okay, how do you create another ad group? You will click on this campaign tab, go to ad groups tab, click on plus ad group and create a new ad group. Okay, and include inverters for home keywords there. Similarly, click on this ad group. You can create one more theme for APC home inverter. Okay, related combinations of keywords. So you will create one more ad group, and you will create one more ad group for buy inverter Bangalore. Okay, so in this way you will create multiple ad groups here. So this campaign should need to have n number of ad groups. Okay, based on specific theme. Themes are nothing but you decide on a theme based on keywords. Okay, so this is wrong structuring. Okay, wrong structuring at the ad group level, good structuring at the campaign level. Okay, so look at other ad groups too and split up. Split up has to be done for sure. Okay, the next thing I would look at it is search terms. Okay, click on search terms, click on specific ad groups and click on search terms, or click on campaign level and click on search terms. Okay, change your schedule to, if possible, all time, or at least you can review last 1 year's data. Okay, I'm going to review all time data and see if you can find out better keywords and negative keywords from these search terms. What is a search term? Under keywords tab, you will have all keywords entered by you, okay, as a campaign manager. Under search terms, you will have the actual keywords entered by users, okay, and clicked on your ads or viewed your ads. Okay, these are the actual terms used by users. And assume if people use wrong keywords to find your ads, you can actually include those wrong keywords as negatives, like job, job portal, free, review. Okay, you can include how, what. Okay, say assume someone is looking for what is an UPS. Okay, or comparing or looking at reviews of APC inverters. You don't want to cover them because you have tight budget. Okay, in those cases you should not use, you should not cover keywords like reviews, how, what, all this. Okay, so you should include those as negatives. Assume you forget to add such terms, but still when you review these search terms you'll be able to find such combinations. Okay, when you find those keywords, okay, you should include those as negatives. So you just keep browsing this search terms and you will be able to find those negative keywords as well as positive keywords also. Assume you forget to add this home EPS price in Bangalore. It's a good keyword combination. Okay, APC UPS price in Bangalore. Okay, so assume you didn't cover this keywords, you can actually copy this and create a new theme based ad group here under APC home UPS. Okay, if you find any negative keywords like review, home or free, whatever, you can come back to this negative keywords tab and add it here. Okay, Assume under this APC home inverter 850 sine wave, you found a search term called 650 VA sine wave. Okay, what you can do is you can come back to negative keywords and add 650 VA as a negative to 850 VA ad group at ad group level. Okay, don't add 650 VA as a negative keyword to campaign level at campaign level. Okay, campaign level negative keywords could be free, reviews, all this. Okay, you have to take a call whether you have to add negative at ad group or at campaign level based on the keyword that you find. Next step that I would take in reviewing this or optimizing this campaign is check whether they have all ad extension settings. Okay, if you remember, when a whenever a specific user types or any user types keywords in Google search, ad auction takes place, right? And an ad auction decides your ad position as well as your pricing. How? Your ad position is decided based on your quality score and your max CPC, and also ad extensions and various ad formats you have. So it is important to review ad extensions. See if they have at least 4 site links here. Okay, and also make sure if their site links has site links descriptions. Sometimes they enter only the headlines, they miss the descriptions. Okay, so review the site links here. Click on this and you will be able to review their site links. So you have the site links here. Click on this, edit, and see if they have description. See, they don't have descriptions. If they don't have descriptions, add. If they don't have site links, please add site links itself. Okay, at least 4 site links. And you can even review the best performing ad groups. If some site links can be added at the ad group level, please add it. Okay, that will help you improve your ad position and also will decrease your CPC on a long run. And check their location extensions whether they have added their location extensions. Otherwise, you can add. They have already added the location extension. That's good. Check their call extensions. If they have added their call extension, then leave it. Otherwise, you need to add it. Okay. Check these 3 basic extensions. Okay. If possible, you can even add the structured snippet extension. It is not there. You can add it using plus extension. Okay. The next step will be I will review the dimensions. Okay. Look at their day of the week and see if you can find out any difference here. But if you take a look at it, like they are getting conversions almost all these days. Okay. Assume you found that on Sunday you get more conversions and you need more number of impressions to acquire. In this case, you can do an ad schedule, and by creating ad schedule, you can bid higher on that specific day, and you can acquire more impressions, and you can show more sales, right? And also review their geographic metrics. Under this, you can see. So I'm just sorting it by converted clicks. Okay, you see Bangalore is their top location where they are getting more number of conversions. Okay, and you can actually suggest them to bid higher for Bangalore. Okay, for which you can also review other dimensions here. You need to go to settings, click on campaign level settings. Assume you want to create new ad schedule. What you can do, you can click on ad schedule tab and create new ad schedule. Create custom schedule and see if you want to bid higher on Sunday, you can create a new ad schedule. Okay, and then you click on save and you can increase or decrease the bid adjustment here by certain percentage. Okay, I'm going to remove this. I don't want to do this now. Okay, but please make sure you review at least last 6 months to 1 year data, if possible all time data, and take a call on this. Don't review just 1 or 2 weeks data and take a call. Okay, always review long term data and then take a call on this. Okay, and also look at locations, and you may want to add locations by reviewing your dimension column and take a call whether you want to increase bid for certain locations. Okay, and also look at your devices data. Okay, see if you are getting better conversion from mobile devices, and if whether you want to increase the bid or decrease the bid for your mobile devices. Okay, if you take a look at this, they actually have better conversion rate, but they have actually decreased the bid, which is wrong, right? So in this case, you can actually suggest to your client that this is wrong and we should actually increase and get more clicks. Okay, when you decrease the bid, what happens? You will get lesser number of impressions. Okay, and hence lesser number of clicks, and hence lesser number of conversions. Okay, the next step I would do is I will review their conversions tab and see if they have defined their conversions, all conversions possible. Okay, here if you take a look at Vibavi, the conversion page here is the thank you page. Okay, we need to make sure they have pasted the conversion code in thank you page. Okay, so you will go back to this conversion tab under AdWords and see if they have defined a conversion code setup for thank you page. If they haven't defined, what you have to do, you need to create a conversion and send the setup code and ask your web developer to paste that conversion code setup in their thank you page. So make sure the conversion code setup is proper and working. Okay, if it is not working, it will be shown here under tracking status. And you can also ask them to create multiple conversions, like say they have a contact us page. Okay, you can set up new conversion for contact us page. Under campaigns, the next step will be based on their marketing objective. You need to ensure if they have all types of campaigns covered. Here they have search campaigns covered. They don't have remarketing campaign. What you have to do, you need to create remarketing campaign. Okay, so you can create remarketing campaign from first. You need to enable audience list. Okay, and ask them to set up the tag for remarketing. And once you set up the tag for remarketing, what you will be doing, you will be creating a remarketing list. Okay, ask them to set up the tag to generate remarketing list. Okay, this tag should be set up where? In all your web pages. And then you create a remarketing list. Okay, for more information, please refer the remarketing campaign creation session. Once your remarketing list is ready, you have to create a remarketing campaign by using this display network only type. Okay, if their objective is branding, you need to also create display network only campaign. Okay, so you can allocate certain budget for display network. Okay, more budget for search. Okay, and some more budget for remarketing. Display network, the branding campaign, getting conversions from branding campaigns takes a long time. Okay, in fact, when you run branding campaign for a long time, there are chances that you get more conversions from display network campaign than search campaigns. But you need to wait for long term to get more conversions from display network, which is nothing but your branding campaign. Okay, See, they are running this campaign for long term, right? Long time. What you can do is click on a campaign and click on this campaign and see how many number of conversions happen. All campaigns. If they have 15 conversions recorded in the last 30 days, okay, you can switch to a new bidding called cost per acquisition bidding, CPA. Okay, if you take a look at this, they do have more conversions recorded. You can check last 30 days and see if they have recorded more than 15 conversions. If they have recorded 15 conversions in last 30 days, it means they are eligible. This campaign is eligible to switch to a different bidding called CPA bidding. Right now they have CPC bidding. If you go to settings tab and a bidding strategy, you can see this. Click on edit. You have a new bidding enabled called focus on conversions. Click on focus on conversions. This is called CPA, cost per acquisition, cost per lead. Okay. Once you choose this, you have two options. One is target CPA, the other one is max CPA. Okay. When you set target CPA, what happens? Based on your conversion metric, okay, AdWords system will look at your conversion patterns, okay, and then it will automatically bid for better or more number of conversions. When you choose target CPA, okay, and you choose the recommended one, or you can also choose your cost per acquisition bid. Okay, assume for every 10 rupees you spend, you get a conversion. Okay, this you can mention this as 10. Okay, when you set this, AdWords system will automatically take care of the bidding based on your conversion patterns and your long time history. Okay, and it will start bidding and it will try to acquire a more number of leads within this target CPA. Okay, if you choose max CPA, it will try to bid more whenever a conversion is likely to happen. Okay, and will try to acquire as many number of conversion as possible. Okay, within your budget. Target CPA will try to maintain your cost per click. Max CPA will also increase the cost per click bid whenever a conversion is likely to happen. Okay, you may suggest for cost per acquisition bid when you have enough amount of data, enough amount of conversions. Okay, don't just look at last 30 days data. Having just 15 conversion is not enough for AdWords system to bid on its own. Okay, at least run your campaign for 6 months and have enough number of conversions. Okay, enough number of input for the AdWords system, and then you switch over to cost per acquisition mode. During this time, if you switch over to CPA mode, you will be able to acquire more number of conversions at a lesser cost per acquisition bid.